Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you see the SOS or SOS only in the status bar in your iPhone or iPod, it means your device stuck on emergency call. So guys, how to off SOS on your iPhone? So keep watching this video until the end because I have some solution about this problem. So first of all, restart your iPhone. If you are using any iPhone, first of all restart your iPhone. I hope your problem will be solved after restarting, and if not solved, open setting application again and simply tap on journal and scroll down. Here guys, you can shut down for few seconds, slide this and turn back on of your iPhone after few seconds, and must be see the next solution if these method not work in your iPhone. So guys, first of all, again open setting application in your iPhone. Guys, make sure your data roaming enabled during traveling. Here guys, open setting and turn on data roaming from here, and I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. If this method not work in your iPhone, so must be see the last and next solution, and open setting application appears on screen. Hey guys, and scroll down and tap on journal, and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. And guys, doing the reset network setting, any problem inside your iPhone will be solved by this method. I hope your problem will be solved after this setting. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.